Good morning, friends. Welcome to Rapid General Awareness. Today we are going to see the current affairs for 11th and 12th of May. Friends, as revision is the key to score good marks in this section, yesterday I have uploaded best 100 current affairs from 1st to 10th of May. So please go through it and share it with your friends. So let's begin with today's current affairs. Which general insurance company has launched the standard health insurance policy named Arogya Sanjeevani Health Insurance Policy? So this has been launched by SBI General Insurance Company. Which platform has been launched by Mahindra and Mahindra Limited to provide its customer a transparent, seamless and contactless experience from selection to delivery of the vehicle? So it is Own Online. Name the company which has signed contract worth rupees 1200 crores with Defence Ministry for phase 2 of modernization of airfield infrastructure of 37 airfields of Indian Air Force. So this has been signed with Tata Power. Now who is the Air Chief Marshal? He is Rakesh Kumar Bhadoria. Which mission has been commenced by the Government of India to provide assistance to Eastern Indian Ocean region nations? So the mission is Mission Sagar. Which Indian naval ship has been departed to Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles, Madagascar and Comoros to provide food items and COVID related medicines? So INS Kesari has been departed, and this mission is itself Mission Sagar, which we have discussed in previous question. Harishankar Vasudevan passed away recently due to COVID-19. He belonged to which field? He was an historian and he was prominently known for Indo-Russian relationships. The central government has raised the estimated gross market borrowing for financial year 21 as per the budget estimates from 7.80 lakh crores to 12 lakh crores. Indian Council of Medical Research has entered into a tie-up with which delivery company for delivery of its coronavirus testing kits? So, this has been done with Indian Post. The central government has launched India's biggest evacuation plan to bring stranded Indians in foreign countries from foreign countries. What is the name of the mission? It is Vande Bharat Mission. Which Indian metro city has registered the highest number of internet users in accordance with a study by Internet and Mobile Association of India? So the highest number has been registered in Mumbai. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research has received approval from DCGI for clinical trial of which drug to treat COVID-19 recently? So it has been given approval for Favipiravir and phytopharmaceutical. So the answer is both 1 and 2. And DCGI, that is Drug Controller General of India, is VG Somani. What percent growth of fertilizer sale has been reported by the National Fertilizer Limited in April 2020? So 71% growth has been reported. Which government has constituted a high-level committee to assess the overall immediate and medium-term impact of COVID-19 on the state's economy? So this has been done by Tamil Nadu government. Which state government is preparing to create youth self-employment opportunities in the state through small and cottage industry? So this has been done by Madhya Pradesh government. Who assumed charge as new secretary in Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? He is Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi, and R.K. Singh is Minister of State in Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Whose term has been extended as the President of International Hockey Federation? So he is Narinder Dhruv Batra. And headquarters of International Hockey Federation is in Lausanne, Switzerland. That's it. Please like the video and share with your friends and subscribe our channel. and follow us on our Instagram channel, that is Rapid General Awareness. Thank you. Have a nice day.